Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Lovable AI 2.0. To get started, go to Lovable.dev and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, on the chat interface, you'll be prompted to describe your app. For example, you can type something like build a task management app with user authentication and a dashboard. The AI will then automatically generate your app structure, including both the front end and back end logic. Once your base app is ready, you can use the chat mode agent to customize and refine your project. This agent is like your personal AI developer. You can ask it questions, request new features, or even debug issues. For instance, if you want to integrate a real-time database, you can simply ask, how do I integrate a real-time database with my app? And it will guide you through the steps without writing the code directly, allowing you to stay in control. For more hands-on tweaks, you can switch to edit mode. This lets you manually adjust the layout, styles, and components using the visual editor. And a bonus here is that manual edits don't use up your AI credits, which helps you save resources while still making meaningful changes. When your app is ready, deploying it is just as simple. You can launch your app directly from the Lovable platform and even connect a custom domain, all without needing third-party services. And that's it. With Lovable AI 2.0, anyone can build and launch a full-featured web application by just describing their idea. Thanks for watching.